Hi, I'm Trish O'Connor, owner of Epiclesis Consulting LLC, where our motto is Enhancing Spiritual Communication. I help people find the best ways of expressing the things that give their lives ultimate meaning. One way to sharpen your skill at self-expression is an exercise I call a writer's sketch, because it's a lot like the drawings you'd find in an artist's sketchbook. A short passage to please no one but the writer, crafted in a limited time period in response to a creative prompt without advanced preparation or follow-up revision. You'll be amazed how much you can grow as a writer by investing just 5 minutes a day in this exercise. The videos in this series will give you a chance to try it out before you decide if you'd like to purchase a collection of sketch starters from my website, epiclesisconsulting.com, linked in the description below. I'll start by giving you a short creative prompt or sketch starter. Then you'll have 5 minutes to write until I tell you to stop. And do stop, even if you're in the middle of a sentence. Even though the sketch is written for yourself, feel free to share it as a comment below if you wish. Now, let's begin today's sketch. Today's sketch starter is a set of 3 terms. Please write the following terms at the top of your page: friendship, ability, lost. Your task is to write a passage that includes all 3 of those words somewhere in your sketch, in any order you wish. Ready? And begin. Stop now. Pencils down, fingers off keyboard. Did you end up writing something interesting? What you do with that passage is now completely up to you. It may serve as the basis for a future project, or you may choose to share it in the comments below. Of course, if you wish, it can be for your own eyes only. Its purpose was to help you sharpen your writing skills, and it has probably already done that. But who knows? It may have given you the idea for your next novel. If you think you might like to have a whole collection of sketch starters or take a self-paced course in daily writing, check out our offerings on our website, epiclesisconsulting.com. You'll find a link in the description below.